Meet Ceratoid, a character designed by TS Art and Design, founder of Dreambox Comics. Check out their links in the video description if you like. This 3D version of Ceratoid was printed on a Bambu Lab A1 Mini, which took about 8 hours. The print profile was set to fine with a layer height of 0.12 millimeters to capture enough detail. This model has a 275% scale compared to the original file that was sent to me. Tree supports are perfect for such 3D models. They're very efficient and easy to remove. Let's get it off the print bed. It turned out pretty well, as you see. The details are clearly visible. It's time to remove the supports to finish this characterized 3D model. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. As said, the link to the creator of this model is in the video description. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials.